Buy one take one K-Sunny Makeup Setting Spray. Kung oily ka or mabilis mag-fade ang makeup mo, ito na yung sagot. All control, matte finish, at hydrating siya. Hindi sticky, hindi shiny. After makeup, shake mo muna, spray in X, then T-shape, 15 centimeters away from your face. Ultra fine mist kaya pantay ang apply, mabilis matuyo, hindi mabigat. Mask proof, sweat proof, at ang base mo hindi maghihiwalay. Powdery look, wala na. Patchy finish, goodbye. Perfect for all skin types, moisturizing pero oil control.